Hello friends, I am Raktim. I am back with another video of unboxing. So today we are gonna unbox an earphone which is from the house of Sony. As you all can see it's Sony mdr-ex14ap. So without wasting any time, let's unbox it. Okay, so it has got a tight packing. As we all know, the Flipkart is pioneer in delivering the consignment. So here we got a bill. This is the bill. Let's skip it. Okay, let's open it. This is the bill. I got it for around 600 rupees on Flipkart. You can get it from higher or near about 600 rupees. I got it for an offer. So yeah, okay. Let's keep it aside and let's move to the main item. Here it comes, the earphone. It's very compact and there's nothing else in the box. Let's keep it aside. And as you all can see, it's wrapped in a bubble wrap. Let's open it. Okay, here it comes the earphone. It's okay. I like the bubble wrap. Ooh. Okay, so here comes the earphone. It's very compact and it's a blue variant that I've got as I like it. Yeah, blue is my favorite. So let's open it. It has got a plastic covering. Yeah. Now, yeah, it's open. Here it comes. Yeah, here it comes the earphone. Ah, so now we have got the earphone. Over here it says it has got a noise cancellation and some other stuffs. We have got a extra earbuds, two pair of earbuds, and here is the earphone. It comes. The quality seems to be good, but I don't know about the sound quality because I need to hear it and connect it to my phone. So here comes some paperwork. It's some paperwork like user manual, how to use it and to fit the earbuds like that. We have got a QR code so that we can scan it and download some apps or that thing. Okay, so let's fold it and keep it aside. Now here it gives some kind of functions that the earphone has got. So here comes the earphone. It is okay, surrounded by a black strap. Let's open it. Yeah, the earphone quality seems to be good. The wear is also good. It's blue in color as I've ordered. Okay, so our Sony is a good quality. Means it's pioneer in making electronic goods, smartphone gadgets, and all that. So I think I expect a good quality of sound from this. But yeah, it has got a passive noise cancellation, but not extra bass. It has got a mic over here, and the earbuds are also of good quality. And it has got a 3.5 audio jack, so that feeds it to almost every other smartphones. Okay, so that's it. Now let's open the bill. So we have got a 1 year warranty on this. I need to keep this bill. So you will also have to keep this bill delicately if something comes up. So till then, goodbye and stay happy.